Initially, using a service like LegalZoom for your registered agent can seem like a no-brainer. They handle the compliance, ensure someone is always available during business hours, and keep your personal address off public records. It's convenient, and for many, that convenience is worth the annual fee. But businesses grow, circumstances change, and what was once a perfect fit might become less ideal. Maybe you've found a more affordable registered agent service, or perhaps you've decided to act as your own registered agent to save costs. Whatever your reason, the decision to remove LegalZoom as your registered agent might leave you wondering, how exactly do I do that? It's not as simple as just canceling a subscription. There are legal and procedural steps you need to follow to ensure your business remains compliant and avoids any unfortunate surprises. The process of changing your registered agent, regardless of who your current agent is, involves 3 key phases: selecting your new registered agent, formally notifying the state, and then, and only then, canceling your service with LegalZoom. Skipping any of these steps could put your business at risk. Let's dive into the first crucial step: choosing your new registered agent. This isn't a decision to be taken lightly. Your registered agent needs to be reliable, accessible, and have a physical street address in the state where your business is registered. P.O. Box simply won't cut it. You have a few options here. First, you could designate yourself or another individual within your company to act as the registered agent. This is a common choice for sole proprietors or small businesses looking to cut costs. However, be aware of the responsibilities. You or the designated individual must be available at the registered office address during regular business hours, Monday through Friday. This means no vacations without a backup plan, no working from a coffee shop all day, and certainly no skipping town for an extended period without ensuring someone is there to receive official mail. Plus, your personal or business address will become public record, which is a privacy consideration for many. Second, and often the most recommended option, is to hire a new professional registered agent service. There are numerous companies out there, often at a lower annual cost than what you might be paying LegalZoom. Many of these services offer additional benefits, such as mail forwarding, compliance alerts, and even online portals to manage your documents. When selecting a new service, compare their annual fees, the features they offer, their customer support reputation, and their experience in your specific state. Some popular alternatives to LegalZoom include Northwest Registered Agent, Zen Business, and Harbor Compliance, among others. Many of these alternative services will even handle the filing of the change of registered agent form with the state on your behalf, which can significantly simplify the transition. This is a huge convenience and often well worth the cost. Once you've chosen your new registered agent, the next critical phase is notifying the state. This is where the official change happens. Every state has a specific form and process for updating your registered agent information. This form is typically called a Statement of Change of Registered Agent, Change of Agent, or something similar. You'll usually find this form on your Secretary of State's website or the equivalent business filing agency in your state. The information required on this form will include your business name, your entity type, LLC, corporation, etc., your current registered agent's name and address, and, most importantly, your new registered agent's name and physical street address. Many states also require a signature from the new registered agent, confirming their consent to serve in that capacity. You'll need to accurately complete this form. Double-check all spellings, addresses, and any identification numbers. A small error could lead to delays or rejection of your filing. Along with the form, most states will charge a nominal filing fee. This fee can vary significantly from state to state, ranging from free in some jurisdictions to a modest amount in others. Some states allow online filing, which can expedite the process, while others may require you to mail in the physical form and a check. The timeline for processing these changes also varies by state, from a few business days to several weeks. It's crucial to understand your state's specific processing times so you can plan accordingly and ensure there's no lapse in your registered agent service. During this transition period, both your old and new registered agents might still receive mail, so it's wise to keep an eye on both. Now for the final and equally important step, canceling LegalZoom's registered agent services. This is where many people make a mistake by canceling too early. Do not cancel your LegalZoom service before your new registered agent has been officially updated with the state. If you cancel prematurely, your business could be left without a registered agent on file, which, as we discussed, can lead to serious compliance issues. Once you have confirmation from the state that your registered agent information has been successfully updated, typically by receiving a filed copy of your statement of change, then you can proceed with canceling LegalZoom. LegalZoom provides several methods for cancellation. The most straightforward way is often through your LegalZoom online account dashboard. Log in, navigate to your My Account section, and look for Subscriptions or Manage Payments. You should find your registered agent services subscription listed there with an option to cancel. LegalZoom typically requires proof that you have designated a new registered agent before they will finalize the cancellation. This proof can be a copy of the filed document from the state, a screenshot of your updated registered agent information on the state's website, or a copy of your annual report showing the new agent. Alternatively, you can contact LegalZoom's customer care center by phone. Their representatives can guide you through the cancellation process and inform you of any specific requirements or documentation they need. Be prepared to provide your account details and the proof of your new registered agent filing. While email might seem like a convenient option, it can sometimes take longer to process, so phone or dashboard cancellation is generally recommended for registered agent services. It's also a good practice, though often not legally required, to formally notify LegalZoom that you are changing your registered agent and that your service will be canceled. This helps ensure a clean break and avoids any potential confusion or accidental renewals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.